Okay, so I am going to be going through a memory lane thanks to Tele Masala. And वो pictures मैंने Instagram पे क्यों share की उसकी reasons मैं बताऊंगी. दो बहुत evident होते हैं caption से, but थोड़ी मेहनत करवाना चाहते हैं ये मुझसे. The picture first they've shown me is the BMW picture that I bought for myself. I think ये मेहनत का फल है और बहुत मेहनत का. सबको लगता है कि आसान है, बट इस पे बहुत sacrifice जाता है, बहुत सारी I mean I have given up on a lot of things, but that's okay. Exactly यही बोलती हूँ कि I think all of this I have chosen for myself. तो crib नहीं करना चाहिए, complain नहीं करना चाहिए. So I've been working 26-27 days straight for Sanjeevani without one holiday. So I also understand that मेहनत करके ये सब मिलता है फल. This is my Lions Gold Award. This was for, of course, Anika. बहुत ही special है ये. This was after Ishbaz got over for me in December. I think this was somewhere about in March, April. I'm not very sure, but this is in Jan. I think it's been very, very special. Okay, guys. So this picture that she's shown me is a very beautiful picture from a photo shoot I did in London. I think this was when I was about 1.9 million followers. 5th February. I've today crossed close to crossing about 2.5 million followers. I think it is a huge family of Surbhi Channa fans, and they are like my they are I think मैं like my family भी नहीं बोल सकती. They are my family only. मतलब हर चीज़ मैं करती हूँ follow उनकी ये वो. This is a lovely. So what I do is I of course मैं अपनी photo खींच के डालती तो हूँ, but I see that there are a lot of fans who make that effort of doing these edits. अब सहारा क्या है मैं देख लूँ, पर मैं चाहती हूँ कि लोग उनका अच्छा काम देखें. That is one example. So here's Hina, who is an amazing girl. I think she edits pictures so beautifully. This is actually an edited picture. It's a fan edit. The girl is Hina and is fabulous. I think I missed my long hair here. This is somewhere in May. Just before Sanjeevani की shoot मैं शुरू करने ही वाली थी, and I had to cut my hair. I'm attending a very dear friend's cocktail party, संगीत night. Yes. So but इस time पे मेरे बाल लंबे थे, and I missed it. और मैं थोड़ी पतली भी थी. I think I put on some weight. I think December is here, तो. My first special picture of Sanjeevani. This was the first revelation on Doctor's Day, and these were some amazing memories about 6 months back, July में. खतरा खतरा खतरा, my favorite show. भारती हर्ष के साथ मैं जब भी काम करती हूँ, I think it's a treat. It is so much fun, all of us. मतलब the vibe on that set is just something different. ये खतरा 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 की है. This is my screening of Sanjeevani, and I am looking very cool thanks to my designer Shivani Shirali, and this had me being very, very nervous that day. Our first Sidisha picture that I put up, second episode air ho chuka tha, and this is me and Namit. बड़े तब तो हम बात नहीं करते थे, समझ नहीं, बात तो करते थे पर बहुत ही लिमिटेड कॉन्वर्सेशंस. अब तो हम लोग एकदम बदतमीज़ हो गए हैं, मतलब लिटरली वी आर टचवुड. आई विल चेरिश दिस फॉर एवर and ever, the kind of bond I have with them. Touchwood, touchwood, touchwood. This is one of my favorite photo shoot pictures. This is done by Vipul. This guy is amazing, and this was when I had touched 2.2 million followers on my birthday month, September, and this had like crazy likes. Yeah, I don't know, it had touched 3-4 lakhs. मेरे लिए तो वो भी बहुत बड़ी बात है यार, इतना प्यार देखना. This is the only vacation I've taken this year, very honestly. I feel very upset. The only vacation the entire 2019 was this. This was Goa. 3 days with my family, and उसके बाद मुझे कोई holiday नहीं मिला है इस पूरे साल. नहीं तो usually I'm used to doing 2 holidays in a year, which is एक birthday पे होती है September और एक होती है December के time, but मुझे लगता नहीं है December भी होने वाला है. Anyway, that is okay. So this is also from ITA award night. I won an award for Anika, and this is when I won the Stylish Diva at the Gold Awards. I think I have beautiful memories of these award functions and all that. I think my Instagram page, see, I told you, like I love sharing edits. One more edit of a fan, which I thought was very, very, very nice. This was again for Dr. Ishani as a Performer of the Year. I won an award. Wow. This is me and Chiki. Chiki is my sister Pranavi, and we call ourselves as fake Kardashian sisters because हम लोग बड़े ही नौटंकी type हैं. And this is their anniversary, my sister and her husband, and we had gone to a restaurant and we got a nice picture clicked. I think it was very Vogue kinds. Yeah. This is from this latest calendar shoot. I think everybody loved this look. I was amazed. मैं sure नहीं थी, but it was a fabulous look. And that's it.
लास्टली से इतना जानना चाहूँगी कि इस साल का जो मेमोरी लेन के थ्रू आप गई हैं तो कितनी ज़्यादा मेमोरीज आपकी रिकॉल हुई हैं?
मेरी memories बहुत सारी recall हुई. I think it's been a very special year. Sanjeevani happened. Awards happened as always. I think अब मुझे इतना but I don't know what this is. Yeah, I think I'm in this happy land thanks to the fans actually and the viewers who have loved me. इनकी बदौलत ही मेरे मुंह पे वो खुशी है, very honestly. It has been I've been voted the 5th sexiest Asian woman, which has come as a surprise to me. I think when I say sexy and people ask me that हो सकता है लोग सोचते भी ना हो कि इतनी sexy हो, but I think I feel that it's the person I am that I think might find I think some people might find that sexy. Sexy is not always about looks. I think you rightly said that आप अपने आप को कैसे carry करते हैं. I think that, and then yesterday the news broke out that I was ranked the TV Personality of the Year, #1. I think there have been amazing contenders and everybody is doing such a fabulous job. मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैं बहुत ही अच्छी फील्ड में हूँ जहाँ मैं बहुत कुछ सीख पाती हूँ. You know, like I happened to meet Sriti at a restaurant and मुझे वो ऐसी लगी कि वो इतनी ग्राउंडेड है और मैं उनको कितने टाइम से जानती हूँ कि कितना कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. You know, and I've been following her work since Jyoti. She was playing a very I don't know what she was playing, मतलब उसको क्या बोलते हैं, but there was some kind of a problem that she was dealing with in the show. She was so good, and that's just, I'm talking about Sriti. I just happened to meet an award function and I met Hina. Hina is so sweet to talk to. I mean, everybody. You get to learn so much from my seniors. I think I am in a very good field and I get to learn so much, and yeah, this year has been me meeting also a lot of people. The bond we share here. I have met Rohit, Shantani, a lot of people. So it's been a great year.
तो लास्टली आपके नाम के साथ हैप्पी न्यू ईयर.
Hi guys, I'm Surbhi Channa. 2020 आ रहा है and I want to just wish you a great new year. Have a fabulous one and just spread positivity and enjoy yourself and ज़्यादा टेंशन वेंशन मत लो यार, खाते पीते रहो मेरी तरह. Thanks, yeah.